pleasure and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to do things on YouTube, like subscribe, thanks, etc. So stay tuned. And right here is the icon to get back to the channel. To subscribe, you hit this button right here to subscribe. You have to do this all when you're logged in. And also, I'd really appreciate when people give the thumbs up. Now, this can be done with anybody's site, not just my own. So I want to just be clear about that. And you can share the video right here. And when you're logged in, there's a thanks button with a little heart. You can donate $1 or $2 to the site if you really like the video. I could do that on anybody's site. So I just want to show you that. And down here is comments. You can add a comment and keep it clean, because it goes by YouTube community rules. And that's what I want to show you. I hope this helps you, and I hope this gives you more insight on how to use YouTube. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye for now.